Transform your creative work into a compelling online statement that demands attention and opens doors to opportunity. Today, we're building a professional portfolio website using Wix, your easy-to-use platform for crafting a stunning online presence. Start by heading to Wix.com and clicking Create Your Website. Wix offers a vast library of professionally designed templates, so browse through the portfolio categories until you find one that resonates with your style and industry. Once you've selected a template, you'll enter the Wix Editor. This is where the magic happens. Notice how intuitive the drag-and-drop interface is, allowing you to easily move, resize, and customize every element. First, let's personalize your header. Click on the existing text to edit your name or business title, making it clear from the start who you are. Now, it's time to showcase your best work. Add a new section specifically for your projects or portfolio. Wix provides various gallery layouts to beautifully display your images or videos. Click on your chosen gallery and select Manage Media here. You can upload your high-resolution images or video clips of your completed projects. For each project, add a descriptive title and a concise explanation of your role and the project's outcome. This context is crucial for potential clients or employers. You can also add tags to improve searchability. Next, highlight your expertise in the About Me section. Tell your story, share your passion, and outline your key skills. This is your chance to connect on a personal level. Ensure visitors can easily reach you by setting up your contact form. Wix makes it simple to customize this, so you receive inquiries directly to your inbox. Before you launch, use the preview feature to see how your website looks on both desktop and mobile devices. A responsive design is essential for a modern online presence. Once you're happy with everything, hit the Publish button. Congratulations! You've just created a professional portfolio website that will elevate your career prospects.